This effectively lowers the input by roughly half each time the decimal to binary function is called. However, remember that the binary number string is built by calculating the remainder of input divided by 2 and concatenating that to the end. After your call to the after your call to decimal to binary function, so after it, use addition operator to concatenate. Oh, it should be here. To concatenate the remainder of input divided by 2 to the end of the string, excuse me, your recursive function returns. Also wrap the operator in parentheses. So I guess inside it, after your call, so after we call this, we use an addition operator. Oops, what happened? Operator to concatenate the remainder of input divided by 2. So if it's remainder we are talking about, I reckon we use the modulo. To the end of the string, your recursive function returns. Okay, the end of it. Also wrap the operation in parentheses. So we try to wrap it with a parenthesis. We're good to go.